Hello, and welcome back to the Neuro Symbolic Channel. I'm Paulo Shakarian. I'm a professor here at Syracuse University, and thank you again for tuning in. So, last month in January, I was at AAAI, which was held in Singapore this year. For those of you who don't know, AAAI is one of the oldest academic conferences in the field of AI. It's been running for about 40 years at this point. And I had a couple of papers that were accepted. We had a poster presentation and I had an oral presentation as well. And so you can check out some of the other videos on the channel if you want to see what those were about. Most of it was about metacognition, which is a big direction my research has been going lately. AAAI was really interesting, just wandering around the poster session. The amount of papers in the areas of computer vision and natural language processing, I think, are tremendous. These are, I think this is, at least in the posters, just by looking at the rooms, they're almost filling two hallways between natural language processing and computer vision, and everything else like KR, applications, um, AI alignment, which is kind of an emerging area. Um, all that is all fitting into about one hall by itself. So it's really interesting to see kind of what researchers are focused on. And I guess this makes sense because we saw massive hiring in academia in about the last, 3 years. It was about language models. And in the 3 years before that, it was all about hiring computer vision people. So we're starting to see research all these new faculty have been working on is starting to take up a big chunk of what it means to be AI. And I think there's nothing wrong with that. But it also, I think, shows that where there's more opportunity, maybe, if you want to plan your research strategically and things related to KR, neurosymbolic AI didn't even have its own, section yet. So most of that kind of fell under KR. So that was interesting. I think the other interesting thing I saw was I chaired one of the KR sessions, and the variety of papers that were there was really interesting. There were still a few ASP papers, which ASP has been kind of the big language for a lot of KR stuff lately in answer set programming, for those of you who don't know. But there was also a good chunk of things dealing with knowledge graphs, even a quantum paper in that session. So we started to see more variety within KR, which I think is also quite interesting. Other things that are going on, here at Syracuse, we're pushing forward with approvals on some new AI programs, and I'll post a separate video on the AI minor that was recently approved. We also have approval by our university senate for an AI master's and bachelor's program that, if all things go well with the state of New York, we'll be rolling those out in the fall of 2026. And, I'll start putting material on that as those approvals come in, and we're expecting them to be approved. So thanks again for tuning in. Going to have some new content. A lot of the talk lately, of course, has been on Claude Code. I spent a bunch of time over break doing work with Claude Code and making good progress on actually putting a paper together where it's not going to be about Claude Code, but we use Claude Code a lot in the implementation, which allowed us to accelerate that research, which is really neat. I think also it's going to change a lot of things from, the career path of developers to what people study in school. And I'll give my thoughts on, how I think this is going to change things and probably sooner than expected, and how I think that maybe people should think about their educational decisions going forward. Little spoiler alert, if you're going to get your master's or bachelor's degree, really consider loading up on the AI courses and trying to find universities that offer not only traditional coding training, but training on using tools like Claude Code. So anyway, this was just a quick update. Hadn't posted a video in a little bit. Hope everyone's doing well, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. Bye.